What's up, everybody? Danny, Custom Host Forge and Fabrication. How are you? And it's been a while, but I want to make a little video here because I got some good news. No, it's good news for me. A couple years back, I sold my hay boot in Anvil, and it broke my heart, to tell you the truth. And I've moved from Georgia to Dallas, back to Georgia, and I'm back on Long Island now. I've been back for a little while, and I've been missing blacksmithing a lot, actually. And you know, anvils are a little out of reach right now, and I'm still rebuilding the empire. But I've been seeing these reviews online and on YouTube about these anvils, and I stopped down here at Harbor Freight for one socket, and I didn't want to spend $14 on the socket. But what I did do was I bought, because it was there, I bought the Doyle 64-pound steel anvil, and I know it's backwards for you, and I know you can't really see it, but here it is. And I'm going to take it out of the box real quick and check it out. So I got you in frame in that, I don't know. A little nervous about what the face of this thing's gonna look like. It's hard to see because I can't see what you're seeing. I can already see a little grind mark. And yeah, the corners are pretty sharp, like I've been seeing. They did do a very nice job packaging it. It's the Doyle badge. I don't know. Gonna have to do a little cleaning up. Pritchell hole is full of paint. Hardy hole looks pretty square. You know, all in all, not that bad. Packed in oil. But I'm gonna get this back to my shop, and gonna see how she does. Thanks for joining us, man. Good things to come. Custom Homes Forge and Fabrication. Get out and use your hands. Have a good day.